Alright guys, today I'm doing a review of this Botanica Perfect Protein. I got this on sale for Boxing Day, so I wanted to try it out. I've never tried it. This is vanilla, and the reason why I never tried this one is because, if you look here, it's actually, and I wanted to try it, is because it's plant-based, but it's made of coconut, quinoa, brown rice, and vanilla, so, which is actually really cool. I've never seen it, protein powder made of coconut, so I'm going to do a quick taste test and show you what, here's the nutrient panel if you guys want to read this, pause the video, and there's the ingredients if you guys want to read that, pause the video. So we're going to do a quick taste test. Let me open this up. Okay, so it's got a really strong vanilla smell. There it is right there, so I'm going to actually put it into my smoothie, but as you can see there's my smoothie right there. I'm going to put it in there, but I'm going to do a quick taste test for you right now. I'm just going to grab a little bit, put it on my tongue, so. Ooh, it's nice. Think of it like a coconut vanilla. That's basically what it tastes like. It's really good. Sweet coconut vanilla. That's basically what it tastes like, guys. Slightly grainy from the brown rice, but very mild. And the consistency is more almost like pea protein, but not quite. It's a little bit more grainier with a little bit of like rice protein. So definitely check it out. If you have any questions, comments, guys, subscribe to the channel.